Hey everyone, in today's video, we are diving into the super practical topic for all Next.js developers, redirect in Route Handler with the brand new Next.js 15. Whether you are building a small app or scaling a huge project, redirect are essential for managing navigation, handling authentication, or even fixing broken links. But with Next.js 15 updated Route Handler, you might be wondering, how do I redirect users the right way? Don't worry, we will get you covered in this video. We will walk through a quick recap of route handler in Next.js, how to use redirect to send the user to different route, and common pitfall to avoid spoiler if it's not always as simple as res.redirect. By the end out, you will get a crystal clear understanding of redirect in the latest version of Next.js. So let's do coding. Let's understand. Now let's move on to the Visual Studio so that we can easily understand how the redirect works in route handler. So let's move on to the Visual Studio code. Here we already come to our Visual Studio. In this, I have already built a code for you so that we want to manage that particular time, so no time will be so that your time would be saved. So here in this, I have already created a folder under API, under app with the name API, and inside API we have two folders with the name V1 and V2, which are declaring which inside that we have two users folder, and inside that we have route of in both the field. Okay. Now, when you visit localhost, so let's move on to the browser so that what these APIs show on the browser. Point of our application. So when we type API /v1/users. So suppose I give you a scenario that suppose in your project you have already built that this particular API in which the number of fields will be 4, like ID, email, full name, and created at. But now you want to add some extra field to it. So how you can solve this particular problem? So you can solve with the help of by creating another API. So I have also created for you the second API link for it. In this we have created version 2 of users. In this you have the updated field. In this you have the name preference, you have the profile, you have the preferences. Okay, so these are the updated files, and also your existing field like ID, email, full name, and created at add for the API V1. We also add swing in this particular. So how you can. So now the question is that you want to use this V2 API call while you are currently using V1. So how we can achieve this? So that when the person is accessing this particular V1 user, he will get all the updated information, not this one, which is not an updated. So what you have to do, you have to add a redirect in route handler. So let's see how we can achieve this. So let's move on to the Visual Studio code. So here is your code for the V1 API call, and here is the code for the V2 API call. So for this we can redirect to the V2 by making a redirect call from the V1. So inside get method, we can call the redirect. So redirect is a function which is come under Next.js navigation. So redirect, if you go on top, you can see that redirect next navigation. So it will provide you so if you see that the function allow you to redirect the user to another user. So our motive is to change, when someone call local 3000 API / V1 + user API call, it will redirect it to this particular, which is an updated API. Okay. So how we can achieve this? So we can add a redirect to it, and we can give a path to that API. We can use an API /v2/users. We can save it. We can make a call to it, API calls. So when someone want to access this particular URL, like lower threshold API V1 + user API call, want to access old API, it will be immediately with the help of redirect function of next navigation will be redirected to that V2. So let I show you. So I have already added a redirect function, and immediately we are redirecting this V1 version 2 V1 folder API call to the V2 folder. So hold on, I will need to create one less. So now let's make a call to the V1. I just reloaded. I can press enter. So you can see that when we made, and inside that you can also see, I also give you one difference for that. Again, we can make a call to the V1. So when we click on v1/user, so here you can see in the network tab, you get a 307 which will make a temporary redirect, and to which it is from the v2/user. So when command, so by this, now your updated API request is your updated API will be accessed by the users, and the old users can also access their old information like ID, email, full name created as they have done before in the v1 version 1 of that API called. Now they also get that particular updated information of like profile and preferences which are not getting in the previous one. So this is how you can updated your API in your running project with the help of redirect in Next.js. And now for the v1 you can also update it, or you can you can find some glitch if some problem has been occurred to before making it live to the project. So this is how you can achieve redirect in Next.js application. So I hope you can easily understand how we can use a redirect in route handler in Next.js application. So and that it. What we have covered everything you know you need to know about handling redirecting route handler with Next.js 15 for basic user of the redirect function to handling dynamic route and authentication flows. You are now equipped to use redirect like a pro. Remember, route handler in Next.js give you powerful tool to manage server-side logic, and using redirect makes it super simple to send user when they need to go without any extra boilerplate. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can never miss an update in the world of Next.js and full stack development. Got questions or want to see some more examples? To drop them in the comment below. I will love to hear from you. Until next time, keep building amazing things. Thank you.